Okay, after a very, very treacherous drive, we've made it to the waterfalls, and it is going to be outstanding. We're going to check this place out. I've been here before, but the totes have not. Yeah, it's going to be beautiful, guys. Yep. Yep. So, wish us luck on this one.
See you next year.
Yep. You guys are doing it. There's Tiffany.
Yeah.
Kristen, you gonna be able to make it?
No.
What do you mean no?
Well, I might not.
Oh boy. Here we go. We're going in. We're going in. There's 5.
It's cool to be able to see it so much more grown.
I know. There's 5 waterfalls down here. We are approaching the first one right now. It's very slippery, so we're taking our time. It's very lush. So far, we've seen a toad.
The size of a cat.
Size of a cat. I think it was huge. It had a little saddle on the back of it. There was a smaller frog riding it. And here's the first waterfall right here. A little bit muddy looking, but we made it. This is the first one, right here. Okay, we are approaching waterfall number 2. And I like this one. This one's pretty neat. Let's check it out. So, on to waterfall number 3. It's down this way, right here. So now we're going to the third one, which is Rainbow Waterfalls, 200 meters that way. It's a little bit of a hike. A little bit of a hike. And if you look closely, you can see the 4th waterfall, aptly named the Fly Waterfall. All right, wish us luck. We're going.
Mike Tyson. You are? Isn't your dad saying that there was 2 stunts for you and 1 stunt for them?
We are very, very close to the 3rd waterfall, which I believe is the tallest one. There's a monkey? Let's see if I can get this monkey on tape here. Where? Oh yeah, kind of hard to see him. We'll get closer to him. It's so cold. Kevin, give me a yell. I had to go around this side, end up on the back side of the waterfall. Pretty treacherous, man. I'm gonna try one more time to go into the waterfall. If these kids can do it, I can do it. All right. After that very invigorating waterfall number 3, we're now going to the 4th one, which I've never been to. So this is a whole new sitch. Don't fall.
I don't want to go.
Well, turn around. We're almost there to the 4th one. This is kind of interesting here. We made it to the 4th waterfall. That's not it. This is it. This one's way cool.
So there was a plank over a huge waterfall,
Yeah,
and I don't know, it was just
really
I wanna
hard.
die.
But you made it.
I
Good
wanna
job.
die. Where's mommy and sister?
Yeah,
Mommy.
your mom and dad has not made it back yet, and that's why I'm congratulating us for not
Look at Kevin's butt.
going.
We went to all four. We just made it back to the third one. And now we're gonna go all the way back to the top. Wish us luck, everybody. Halfway to the third one. I'm already tired. Kristen, you're a trooper. Let's keep going. If you look closely, there's the fourth waterfall way over there. That's where we were a while ago. So, making our way up. Kids are doing great. I'm happy to see this place. Whew. One more waterfall. We're on the last run right here. So we're going on up. Well, I have to say, this thing doesn't mess around, but I'm getting so close. Getting so close. Passing the first waterfall. And the exit is this way. Can't wait. I made it. Tiffany and Christika, you guys did it, man. So, Viento Fresco Waterfalls. It's one of the hidden secrets of Costa Rica. Very rustic, a little bit treacherous, but that last waterfall was worth all the work.
Oh wow.
I think so.
Yeah. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe, because if you don't, I'm gonna eat you.